Hey everybody, welcome back to the workshop. Got another scroll saw project video for you guys this time. It is an upcycling video, which I think is real cool. It's my first time, I think, doing one of these. So what we've got here is an old clock movement that I found up in the attic. I put it all together and made sure that it still worked. And it does, and it's actually keeping time. It's actually running now, if you can see the little second hand moving. But I want to make something for this to go on that'll be perfect for out here in the workshop, and what I come up with was a circular saw blade. It's round like a clock, so what I want to do is make a copy of the blade out of 1/4 inch plywood to put the old clock movement in and give it a new home. So what we're going to do is take some 1/4 inch plywood here, lay the circular saw blade on it, trace around it to get a pattern, and get started. And we're going to begin by tracing around the circular saw blade. Don't take long to do. Make sure that the clock was going to look nice on it, and going over to the bandsaw to just remove some of the excess wood, and then we're going to go to the drill press and drill the one hole. If you go this route, just make sure that the threaded bolt on the clock insert can fit through the hole. Now we're over here on the scroll saw using number 5 reverse tooth, sharp tooth scroll saw blades, and very simple pattern, just following one outside line. Just taking my time with it, not trying to rush anything. Number 5 blades cut through 1/4 inch plywood or any 1/4 inch material almost like butter, so you got good control over it. Then when we get done here, we're going to head over to sanding with the palm sander. Just getting it nice and smooth. And then we're going to go put the clock movement in it. Now I thought I was going to have a spacer in the back. That's what I see. I just took the spacer out. Turns out I didn't need it. I thought I would, but then it's just fairly straightforward, putting the bolt in that holds everything, and then putting the hands on it and getting everything lined up, and then setting the time, and then simple project was completed. And here we have the completed circular saw blade clock. I think it turned out real good. I think this was a great way to upcycle that old clock movement I had lying around. And I think it turned out real good. It was actually like this clock movement was made just for this project. I really like how it turned out. All that's left to do is finish it. And now that I know that the clock movement will work with this, I can take it apart and finish the blade ever how I want to. But I've already got a battery in it, as you can see, and the clock is ticking away. This is not a very hard project to do over on the scroll saw. As y'all seen, it's just that one long outside cut. There was no internal cuts, and then just drilling the one hole for the clock movement to poke through with. But I think it turned out real good. That is about all for this video. Remember guys, if I can make it, you can make it. I'll have another one of my videos floating up in this corner, and my subscribe button floating up in this corner. Until next time, I'll see you guys real soon. I'm the Artisan Pirate. Take care.